Welcome to Writer's ER. Today we're talking about something super important in schools and colleges everywhere: how understanding different cultures makes a huge difference in teaching. Think about a classroom that looks just like our big, diverse world. That's what we're aiming for, and it's why teachers need to really get what makes each student special. Imagine this: a teacher who knows that where you come from, the languages you speak, and your family's traditions are all key parts of who you are. This isn't just nice to have, it's a must. But what does it actually mean to understand and teach with all these different cultures in mind? Being culturally smart means a teacher can connect with students from any background. It's about more than just saying hello in different languages or celebrating different holidays. It's understanding that everyone has their own story and bringing those stories into the classroom. Why is this so important? When students see their own lives and cultures reflected in their lessons, they're more likely to speak up, get involved, and feel like they belong. It makes everyone's learning richer and more fun. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to Writers ER. So, how do teachers do this? First up, they've got to think about their own views and biases. We've all got them, but knowing what they are is the first step to moving past them. Then, it's about making lessons that include everyone. It's not just about having one lesson on different holidays, but making sure all kinds of voices and stories are part of everyday learning. Teachers also need to mix things up, trying different ways of teaching so that every student can find a way to shine. Some kids like working in groups, others might prefer doing projects on their own. The key is to give everyone a chance to do their best. This doesn't just help in school, it's preparing students for the real world too. Understanding and appreciating different cultures makes it easier to work with all kinds of people and helps everyone get along better. We're going to share stories from teachers who've made their classrooms welcoming places for every culture under the sun. We'll look at what worked, what was tough, and how it changed the game for their students. Whether you're writing a big paper, working on a PhD, or teaching the next bunch of world changers, remember how powerful it is to bring everyone's culture into the spotlight. It's about making sure everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Now, over to you. How have you seen or used these ideas in school or work? Drop your stories and thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. We're all about tackling the big stuff, from dissertations to classroom strategies. Your support means we can keep bringing you tips and stories that make a difference. Hit subscribe one more time to make sure you don't miss out on anything. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you next time.